Hey guys, welcome back. Today, as you probably know by the title, I'm going to be sharing my hair care routine. And you guys have been asking me for my hair care routine for so long now. And my hair care routine probably be the most requested video on my channel. So here I am. I'm going to be sharing my hair care routine with you guys. So let's quickly move on to it. Okay, so before I tell you guys what products I use on my hair, I just want to mention few things about my hair care, like what I like to do and what my hair type is. So my hair is basically normal, but as you can see, I have dyed my hair, so the ends of my hair becomes a little bit dry compared to the roots of my hair. So that's why I like to take extra care of my ends than my roots. So first thing I like to do to keep my hair healthy is drink a lot of water. This may sound cliche, but it is true. I drink at least 4 to 5 liters of water per day, and sometimes even more than that. So I make sure that I at least drink 4 to 5 liters of water, because water not only keeps your hair healthy, it is also really good for your overall health. It detoxifies your body by flushing out all the toxins from the body. It also helps in metabolism, which in turn keeps your stomach healthy. And third, it is really good for your skin as well as your hair to keep it healthy and hydrated. Second, I take a multivitamin tablet. It does not matter which brand it is, but I make sure that my multivitamin contains biotin in it, because biotin is the main protein that keeps your hair healthy and it makes your hair grow stronger. So yeah, I take a multivitamin tablet. And third, I oil my hair regularly. Earlier I never used to oil my hair, and the day I started to oil my hair regularly and consistently, I have seen a difference in the way my hair feels and the way my hair grows. And I do make my oil at home, so that I know that whatever I'm putting in my hair, it is absolutely in its pure form. But in today's video, I did not share any hair oiling routine. So if you'd like to see my hair oiling routine, let me know in the comment section below, and I will definitely make that for you. But coming back to the video, as I was saying, that I do oil my hair quite regularly, and not only just oiling the hair, but these 3 steps of drinking lots of water, the multivitamin, as well as oiling. With these 3 steps, I have seen a really huge difference at how my hair feels and how my hair is been growing. And as you can see, my ombre hair has become so low now. Few months ago when I dyed my hair ombre, my ombre started from this length, but now it has become so low, and I have not touched my hair since then. Like just a little bit of trimming. Like I also trimmed my hair almost 2 months ago, 2.5 months ago, and since then it has been growing, and my hair has become almost this length now, and I'm really happy about my hair. And also on the other note, I want to dye my hair natural at home. Like I want to get back my natural color at home with henna or something like that. So if you'd like to see that video, let me know in the comment section below, because in the past I have dyed my hair at home, and that too almost 1.5 years ago. And yeah, but since my ombre has become so down this part, I just want to get back my natural hair color with some henna, or maybe I will use the L'Oreal one. So let me know in the comment section below if you'd like to see me dye my hair at home, and we'll see how it goes. And then maybe I will do a vlog when next time I'm gonna get my hair done. So yeah, and now coming back to the video again, and let's talk about the products I use. So for the shampoo and conditioner, I really like the Schwarzkopf one, and this is the Schwarzkopf Gliss Hair Repair with Liquid Keratin Oil Nutritive Shampoo. And I have been using this shampoo for almost 6 and 7 months now. In fact, all these products I have been using for past 6-7 months now. So yeah, this is the Schwarzkopf Gliss Hair Repair with Liquid Keratin Oil Nutritive Shampoo. And the reason why I really like this shampoo is because this is really gentle on your skin. After you wash your hair with this shampoo, it does not feel hair has become overly dry. And honestly, if I use this shampoo on its own, I don't even feel like putting conditioner on, because it already does hydrate my hair. But you should never really skip onto your conditioner, because no matter how good your shampoo is, if if you do not use your conditioner, it can dry out your hair over time. So I like to use the conditioner from this first cup again, and it's again their Gliss Hair Repair with Liquid Keratin Ultimate Repair Conditioner. And this is how the bottle looks like. So yeah, that's my shampoo and conditioner. And now once I wash my hair, I like to use my old t-shirt. I like to use my old cotton t-shirt to wrap my hair around, because I don't really use my towels to dry my hair, because that can be really harsh on your hair. But instead I like to use my old t-shirt, or maybe any cotton t-shirt that I've worn the day before. I just use that to wrap my hair around and keep it like that till most of the water from the hair is soaked by the t-shirt. And once I kept my cotton t-shirt on my hair for a reasonable amount of time, just take off that t-shirt and use a serum to hydrate my hair. And the serum that I've been using for almost 1 year now is from Roots, and it's their Professional More Vita oil, and this is how the bottle looks like. And let me tell you something, I have been using this serum for almost 1 year now, and I still used almost till this portion of the oil, because this oil is so thick and rich that I literally need tiniest amount of this oil to cover my entire hair. So I like to take like 1 full pump of this serum, and sometimes the 1 full pump does not even come out because of the oil collects around this area, as you can see. So I have to go around like 2 times or even sometimes 3 times to get 1 full pump out of this bottle. So yeah, then I take the oil, warm it up into the hands, and apply it from the mid of my hair towards the, towards the end of my hair. Then whatever is left, I will apply onto this area without touching my roots. And after I do that step, I take half pump more of this serum and I apply it just into the ends of the hair, because as I said, I take extra care of my ends. And again, whatever is left, I will apply on this area without touching my root. And after I do that, I either let my hair air dry, or I put back that same old t-shirt on my hair, and then I leave it there for more 5 minutes. Then I just take it off and air dry the hair. Also, with the hair drying note, I want to add that I do not use any heat styling tool, no dryer, no iron, no curler, because it's really damaging to your hair, and you should avoid heat styling tool as much as possible. So yeah, I do not like to use heat styling tool on my hair. So yeah, that is pretty much it. These are the products I use after I wash my hair on the first day. But there is one more product that I like to use on the 3rd or the 4th day if I don't wash my hair on 3rd or 4th day, and that is this guy right here. This is the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula, that is the Moisture Grow Hair Dress, and this is how it looks like. And this is basically a clear balm, as you can see right here. And today is a really good day to demonstrate this product, because today is my 3rd day after washing my hair, and my hair is quite dry now. So I just want to show you that how I like to use this product. So first I comb my hair, and for combing I always use some wooden comb. I have 2-3 wooden combs with me. Just don't mind this edges, it just breaks. Or otherwise I will use a really wide tooth comb, as you can see here. And yeah, I will use it to just get rid of all the knots. And one of the hair brushes that I have been started using recently, and I really love it, and this is from Roots. It's their water brush. This is how it looks like. It may look like any normal brush, but the bristles into this brush are so fine that even if your hair is wet, you can brush your hair with it without tugging on your hair. So that's why it is called as water brush, like wet brush, water brush, whatever. So yeah, I also really enjoyed this. And another of the hair tool I really like is Tangle Teaser. I don't have it right now with me, but I also really enjoy it because it helps to detangle my hair really well. Although I don't really get as much tangling on my hair, but it is still really good to detangle my hair. So I was about to demo this. So as I said, first I comb my hair really well. I will comb both the side of my hair, and I will always try to comb my hair from downwards to upwards. I know it is really tempting to comb from from directly up to down, and I also make that mistake quite often. Like I always go from here and go down, but it is ideal to comb your hair from the downwards to upwards. That way your hair will break less and you will be able to get your knots off your hair really quickly. So yeah, so after I comb my hair, I will take a really tiny amount of this, like this much, and this will cover my entire ends. And if this was winter time, I would have taken a little more, and then I warm it up like this on my hand. And once it gets warmed up, as you can see, I will just take my ends, I will just do like this, not even in the mid of my hair, but just in the ends, as well as on the areas I still have the dyes on, because on the dye area my hair is a little bit dry. So yeah, and then I take all the hairs together and comb my hair with my fingers. That way it just distributes really equally and everywhere. And yeah, that's it. And if I still have something left on my hair, I will avoid putting it near my scalp area, especially in this summertime. But if it was winter time, I would have gonna put it near the scalp area like this way without touching my scalp. Although it says I can use it in my scalp, but I try not to put it in the scalp. So yeah, and then again brush it with my comb or brush, whatever I get in front. So yeah. And as far as my hair washing goes, I wash my hair every 3 to 4 days. Like today is my 3rd day I have not washed my hair, so that's why I have applied that balm in my ends, so that by tomorrow my ends does not get even more dry. But for my scalp gets greasy by the 3rd day or 4th day. So today I have not washed my hair. Tomorrow I will definitely wash my hair. Also, I do not use any dry shampoo on my hair, only because I have noticed that if I use dry shampoo on my greasy hair, it just clogs my hair, and the next day my hair falls a lot more than when I did not use any dry shampoo. So yeah, I also try to avoid putting dry shampoo on my hair. If my hair becomes really greasy and I could not wash my hair, what I will do, I will use my wooden comb to distribute the oil from my scalp towards the length of my hair. So that way the oil kind of distributes towards the hair and the greasiness kind of gets away, but it does not really go away completely, I will say that again, but it does help a little bit. So yeah, I think I have covered everything that I do for my hair and the products that I use. So let me just quickly sum up this video. For the shampoo and conditioner, I use the Schwarzkopf Hair Repair one. This is the oil nutritive shampoo, and this is the Ultimate Repair Conditioner. For my serum, I like to use the Roots Moravita oil from the mid-length of my hair towards the end. And on the 3rd day of my hair wash, I like to use the Palmer's coconut oil formula on the ends of my hair to keep it moisturized. And I don't use any heat styling tool on my hair. To comb my hair, I either like to use the wooden combs or the white tooth comb, and sometimes I like to use a hairbrush like this to comb my hair. And yeah, that's all for today's video. I really hope you guys have found this video informative and helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you'd like to see my hair oiling routine, let me know in the comment section below. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.